Quality, that is Torre, 1961. For more than 55 years, we have been offering to our clients a product distinct by planning and choice of materials in all of our projects. How do we do that? We do our best every day, focusing on 5 key concepts: design, ergonomics, comfort, sitting couture, and resistance. These products are the result of continuous tests and accurate studies to achieve higher levels of design, ergonomics, and comfort. We constantly set ourselves new goals, a daily evolution of the product. We demand and offer a great personalization. In fact, the clients can choose countless combinations of leathers, textiles, stitching for a sitting couture that will make a unique product. In addition, we offer an exceptional resistance, which allows our products to pass unscathed the passage of time. We tested the Magda armchair for the contract sector, and it passed unscathed the severe test of 200,000 cycles. Looking for the breaking point of our products, we have gone over. After emailing with the test center for days, we decide to increase the severe test weights by 50% and the number of cycles until 500,000. To meet this new high standard will be our new goal. As far as the American market is concerned, we increased the ANSI-BIFMA test until 500,000 cycles. We used the Magda armchair already tested. In the end, that armchair reached 1 million cycles tests, with an increase in weight of 50%.